Hello and welcome everyone, it's Martin here at Crypto Gains. Today we're going to discuss the recent drop in Bitcoin from three different angles based on data provided from Glassnode. First of all, one of the narratives around the correction in Bitcoin is around the substantial drop in hash rate that we experienced, which was largely attributed to power outage in China. As we can see, we started experiencing substantial decline in the hash rate starting on April the 16th, reaching a low on April the 18th, and this is just around the time when Bitcoin started correcting very deeply, and that correction started normalizing as soon as the hash rate started normalizing as well. In addition to that, over the weekend, the open interest in futures contracts in Bitcoin had reached a new all-time high at 27.4 billion. And whenever we have excess leverage into the system, it's quite possible to experience such substantial drops. And this is exactly what happened, as the market flushed all that excess leverage with 1.847 billion in contracts liquidated in a matter of hours. And this is almost twice as big as the previous all-time high of liquidations, which we experienced on the 22nd of February. Also, it's interesting to observe how the short-term holders are behaving, and we can see that the spent output profit ratio reset the 0.985 level, which suggests that some losses were taken. But as we can see, whenever that ratio tests the level of 1, this is usually when the correction is over and the uptrend in the Bitcoin cryptocurrency resumes. Finally, what's interesting to observe is that some of the long-term holders, based on the same ratio, have been taking profits in the 50 to 60,000 range, but now this has normalized with that recent dip, suggesting that they're becoming calmer and more confident with the price of Bitcoin at the moment as it is. So let's take a look at the charts and see how we can trade some of these insights. Beginning with the 1-hour chart, we can see that 54,800 has formed itself as a critical level. I'll be waiting for a break above that level to initiate long positions. We targeted 55,400, and then the next level is going to be 56,200. Conversely, below 54,800, I'm seeing the downside prevailing with targets at 54,400 and 53,400. Next, let's move to Ethereum. On the 1-hour chart of Ethereum versus Tether, we can see that the MACD is just about to form a bullish signal with the blue line crossing above the red signaling line. The relative strength index is recovering nicely, and what we're aiming for here is a recovery above 50. So to me, the pivotal point is 2125 or 2125. Above that level, initiating long positions with the first target at 2150 and then 2210. Conversely, below 2125, short positions with targets at 2080 and 2056. Next, let's take a look at Ripple. After almost reaching the level of 2, Ripple is now correcting gains. As we can see, the chart has been very volatile. Personally, I'm seeing 1.27 as the pivotal point, and I'll be waiting for a break above that level before initiating long positions with targets 1.32 and 1.38. Conversely, below 1.27, I'm looking to sell Ripple with target at 1.18. And finally, let's take a look at one of the best performers over the last few days, that's Dogecoin. Looking at the 1-hour chart of Dogecoin, above 0.4, I'm looking to initiate long positions with target at 0.425, and then near the all-time high, the next target 0.46. Conversely, below 0.4, declines are likely with the first target 0.385 and then 0.35. Thanks for joining me today. Keep learning with the video education section and the Crypto Gains Market Insight subsection. And of course, remember to join the Crypto Signals Made Easy channel for lots of insightful articles and trading ideas. Thanks for joining me today. Trade wisely, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye. Hey, thanks a lot for tuning in. And if you liked what you see and you're not already with us, click on the link in the description below and become part of the Stormgain community. That way, you will never miss another opportunity and you will become a more profitable crypto trader. See you soon.